Alrighty guys, we're going to do an updated review of the Super Handy Chipper. This chipper cost me about $500. It's supposed to be able to do 3-inch limbs, dried, nothing green. I've tried to throw green branches through there, but it just kind of flings all the leaves out and it's not even mulching it up. So definitely it is used for dry stuff like this here. It actually, I think it's underpowered because when I've got this thing revved up and I put like a 1 or 2 inch branch in there, it just bogs down and sometimes dies. It's definitely something you have to like stab at, you know, and in order to keep it from dying. And when it dies, down in here, the blades get caught up and it gets bound up, and last time it jammed up, I had to take the hopper off and everything. And something I noticed when I was doing that is, now keep in mind, I've got about 60 hours of use on this thing, so it's not new by any means, but if you look at these welds are starting to crack, and that's a very important safety part of the chipper. So I'm just monitoring that, and when it gets too bad, I plan on taking the hopper off and grinding that down and welding it. If you want a comedy video, stay tuned for my welding video. See, it's really bad right here. This is just about to snap off and start hanging, so my time using this is very shortened until I get that welded. But I'm going to take it easy today because I need it. And the adjusting screw to adjust where your fin wants to go, that fell off within the first hour of use. I tightened it up really tight and it just did not stay. It just fell off somewhere. I have no idea where it's at. So I just put a stick in there to hold it up enough to shoot back at the back there. So that's how I managed that. Within the first 5-6 hours, the muffler weld broke like that, which is not too good at all. It rattles around, makes a hell of a lot of noise, and of course it's not muffled at all. So that's another failure on here. So this thing is a Chinese build, so you can't, especially with the name Super Handy exciting wood chipper, sell to Americans. All right, so what else about this chipper? About 10 hours in, it started surging really bad. I've checked a few things on it. The air filter's clean. There's nothing in the mechanisms for throttles, so I don't know what is going on. I might see about changing the spark plug. It surges really bad. Let me show you what that looks like. Well, shit, it turned me into a liar. It didn't surge much. So it didn't surge much, showing you. Of course, you know, you take your car to a mechanic and it never does what you say it does. Anyway, for the most part, it's good for running around your yard, chipping up branches. But if you want to use it for like major property clearing, you might want to spend a little bit more money and get something bigger and more durable. And as far as fuel goes, the tank lasts several hours of use. I'm impressed with how little fuel it uses. Just as long as I can get that surging done and this re-welded, I think it'll go for another 50 hours easy. I'll show you it in action a little bit before I end this video. actually works. It's just, and you could hear it surging. And I found out why it didn't start surging, because when I turned the throttle up, this here is actually braking. The lever is braking. So now to turn up the throttle, I have to reach way under here in a hot engine to turn the idle up and down. So that's another faulty piece right there. So I don't think these were meant to be used for extremely difficult work. But hey, that's Cobra Vids, man. We put our shit to the test. Especially this mower. I'm going to do an updated review of my mower. Fantastic mower, guys. I would have got the 180 if I knew, but I'll get into that during that review there. Of course, I got my chainsaw here. I'll probably do a little video talking about it too. That's a good chainsaw. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. If you want something for just around your yard, the super handy 3-inch wood chipper will be just fine. But if you want something more intense like I'm doing out here, you might want to spend a little bit more money. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this review video, please give us a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe, because we got a lot of stuff going on our channel. Check out our old videos and see what we're all about. Stay free. Yeah, if you didn't understand that language, I'm going to say it in English. Stay safe, stay free. We will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.